weather. We received a few parcels. I will show you later where they are. What a mess again. Picked up just in time. The birds are eating it. Start eating them. Yeah, that's okay. We take that off.
Should eat this.
Are you going shopping? She put that bag around her neck this morning. Whoa. Yeah, just remind you that I'm doing all this work on this laptop because I've got a blue screen. That's a screen of death. And nobody here could work out what is wrong with the computer. So I decided to change all the drive, all the memory stick until I found the fault, because one thing is we agree with other people is that there is a hardware issue. So it's going to cost me money, but I really wanted to fix it. More rain and windy. Yes, let's do some work today. Okay, this is the grout. Okay, so this is advice for vinyl tile because they're not deep. So this is epoxy based, and that will hold much better than the conventional grout, and besides it won't scratch as well. So we got that in. I just got a message that the clear seal that we're going to put all over the towel should arrive today, but the weather's so bad I don't think the men's going to make it. It's too hard for them. Never destroy this in case you have to return. I just keep it for until we get this up and running. Oh. This is another solar panel fan. Similar to the one we had. Oh, I can't put it in. Oh, got it. Bastard. Ah, that's a bigger one that we had previously. There's also a pair of lights, which is handy when we got run out. So this is a chargeable battery inside, so it's good. Anyway. I don't think they're healthy. Thank you. Okay, done. Time for cooking. Are you waiting too? And here we got a cowboy. You need a horse, huh? Okay, I finished one pot of glue, so I clean all my tools. And I'll show you how far I went this morning. So with one of those, I've done all the side here and all this wall. And just about to complete the whole wall here. Sorry, I've done all this wall here. There's still a little bit left. Okay, that's how far I went. Okay.
You got lucky we have plain one.
Olive oil?
Yeah.
Yep. It's called white cream or yogurt?
Yogurt.
Yogurt. You know the Indians cook a lot with yogurt. Half lemon. Yeah,
Only
yum.
a bit.
Ground pepper. So it's carrots, tomato. What's the little thing there?
Mango.
Mango, and this one?
Walnut.
Huh?
Walnuts.
Walnut. Okay. That's gonna be delicious.
And yogurt.
That's gonna be one of the best salad that Jam has ever done for me. So nice. It's beautiful. Yes, I love it. I'm a salad man anyway. Just mix everything, and then I will let you know, guys. Yeah, it's still ugly weather for now. Very busy here, rendering the next video, and here to be done, because that's a new window. Okay, a few more show up. I mean, there's so much to update. It's not funny, but that's okay. It's live. Before I had a hips like 20. All right, so I'll keep going on that. I'm sure you noticed my last video was shorter, but less pen dry, like some people call it. So I hope you like the new way of filming. Let me know. That'd be nice. That's it.
Gonna rate
How you
my
like
own.
it? I think it's delicious.
Yeah. I know. I gonna like it.
Nice. Everything nice. Okay, another parcel. I've been spending a lot of money lately. 474 pesos. So not even $10. This is for the sealant to put over the tiles. I don't know if that's gonna be enough. Anyway, we've got it. Good. I'm uploading all my software now. Somebody just dropped. Okay, all this side is finished. Have you seen chicken on top of a tray? Well, it is. There were 3 before. I think I disturbed them. Fried banana
Yeah.
with sugar. Look yummy. Good morning. Still raining. Nasty weather. Anyway, let's have breakfast. That's it. I'm uploading next video. Okay, I just got a text from the computer shop and it's ready, so we'll go and pick up the PC. In the meantime, this morning we just came and one of the tree collapsed and destroy whatever I had left of fence. So I need to fix that. But the worst thing is the puppy ran away through the gate, so I need to fix that before we go. They're very interested with my drill. Okay. Okay, not perfect, but this is much higher. They won't be able to escape there now. This tree fall. Wow. Danger. Like it didn't fall on the house. Like it didn't fall in the house. Like it didn't fall on top of the house. Okay. I came with my little handsaw, but I think I need a chainsaw. I don't know, we'll see.
Wait, my love. My love, wait. Good kilo papaya and the lemon. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna try to...
Wait, wait, wait. Your foot.
At least the chainsaw work. Beautiful. Just ran out of gas, that's all. Okay, let's go to Dipolog. Yes, we're here again. Bella wants to sit alone.
You didn't give money.
What are you doing up there, my love? Come back. Let's have some dry fish. That's on the road. Going home. PC, all fixed. That's good. 1,500 pesos to change that to a 700 watt. I'm not sure how much that will be now in Australia. Okay, I got viewers who comment saying that those tiles gonna come off big time. He may be right. What do you think? Let me know what you think. I appreciate it. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye bye. Bye bye.